perspective, what would you say are some of the most useful pieces of hardware we've seen for productivity?
Second or third monitor on your main device.
Oh yeah, hands down.
More screen it's not like twice as fast. It's like 10 times faster having more screen. So like flat out, I know that when I take my laptop traveling, I don't have extra screens. It just feels like I'm a slug. Yeah, it's like, oh my God, I gotta, like.
You could not take my extra monitors away from me.
Oh, and I remember the days before tabs were available on an internet browser. And I was like, how the heck did I do this all on one browser tab? Like but screens, a massive improvement. I'm really liking this Stream Deck in terms of like what functionality that does. But for most businesses for hardware, more screens for sure.
For me, if you're moving around, like if you do some work at home, you do some work in the office, hands down a docking station.
Oh, a docking station, yes. Let's explain what that is. I'm gonna bring one up. Not everyone knows what a docking station is.
Alrighty. I love my docking station. I've got one on my home. I've got one in my home office. It's excellent. This is like a typical, pretty cheapy consumer grade docking station. I use one of ThinkPad's specific ones because I get some extra functionality out of it. But the idea is if you can plug all of your peripheral devices into your docking station and then only have one cable to plug into your laptop as you move back and forth, it's a lot faster to get set up everywhere you go.
I've got one. I think I've actually got one in here. I won't bring it out, but they're small, they're handy. Who doesn't like plugging one cable in and being off for the races? That's good. Yeah. What are the other major ones? I had a few actually for this that I was thinking of in terms of devices that I use all the time. I have a camera doorbell.
Oh yeah.
I have a camera doorbell that is tied into some.
I don't know what that does for us for productivity, but I love my camera doorbell.
Oh my goodness. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about productivity, but it's a very useful tool for packages. We get a lot of deliveries, being able to see them, being able to understand who's coming to the door. I think that technology is great. What's your second favorite productivity tool?
Well, the first is the monitors. The docking station is my second choice. Their monitors are like, nothing beats it for productivity. Nothing at all. I mean, there's some software too. Password Manager is awesome.
Password Manager.
A booking calendar is one of the best as well.
Yep. Depends on the business. It really depends on the business that you're running. So like there's going to be specific technologies that are very important. So like there's going to be some mainstream stuff. We're going to, before we segue into the next topic, but like you should be looking at, most of technology is designed to either save you time or money. Mostly time. So it's what time savings tools can this do? So I don't have to do data entry anymore. Can I have an easier time doing this? Less inaccuracy? Can I move the needle faster? So any kind of time saving tool for productivity is huge.
Yeah,
it's huge. I mean, even the password manager, people are like, oh, do I really need it? It's just typing in a password. It's like, you could not take it away from me.
Oh yeah.
It's like, they're very cheap. And even if you don't even factor in the security, if there was no security benefit added at all, just being able to log in that much faster for the cost, yep, great. On top of the fact that it's making you have secure passwords is just like, I factor that as a bonus.
Yep.